In this problem, we have to find the number of ways of arranging the word that is given as mathematical. Firstly, we have to count how many letters are there. So if you can see here, I will write mathematical here like this. Now let's count the word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 words. So if I want to find the number of ways, I will write. So we are having 12 boxes that we need to fill. We will write it as equal to 12 factorial. And then we have to see how many words that are repeating to itself. So if you can see here, there are 1a, 2a and 3a. So we will write here the value as dividing with 3 factorial. Now if you can see m, there are 1m, 2m. So we will write multiplying it with 2 factorial. Now let's see t. So there are 2 t's that is given, so we will divide it with 2 factorial. And if you can see h doesn't have any clone value, so we will not take h. Similarly, e, I, c and l are not clone, so we will write the answer as equal to 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial.